Hello everyone, welcome back on Next Demo channel. Guys, I'm Ramkesh Singh, Unity game developer, YouTuber and blogger. In this video, I'm going to share with you that in this video we are going to share with you a game that I was really love this, that is the OK going in my SSD, and then I was got my one project, and that was I started for learning purpose. Basically we just try to copy this one, means it is the original OK and it is Philop, Stoll, Mayer, and it is really amazing game, means I love it. Play this and you can see there are so many Indian have also commented here, copy there. So in this video I'm going to just show you that what we have done, and you can get that source code also, because that was the learning purpose launch. Whatever you want to do, you want to changes anything, you can do according to you. Here if you are visiting first time or visiting many times, here what I do, I post my project, that is the sample. Like I have created the tutorials on host mode, share mode, so you can get on the Fusion, because you know very well that is Fusion is future, and here are so few stuff. I just sell not very much price, just on basic price, so that because you know very well that YouTube does not provide that much money for advertisement, and you know that is not enough for running the channel. So I'm just doing so that I can continue my journey. You can just support me to join the Patreon if you want to get anything. So just you can support me anyhow, whatever you want to do. And currently I have opened my project in latest version, that is not very much old, not very much latest. So currently we are running this, and today is date 162024. Currently we are running in this, it is not that much old. So let me run and let me show you that what we have done. It is current 4, so let me clear my cache. It is not online game, it is offline. You can play around and you can add your AdSense, advertisement, whatever you want to do, you can do. Let me play and let me show you. Here you can see we have so many stuff. Here is the levels, so you can see we have total 100 levels, and these are the difficult levels. Whatever you want to play, you can just play. You can play directly also. Let me show you that how it is working, so that you can see that what we have created. So here you can see basically you have a ball. You can see I'm able to fire the ball, and if you are inverting the controls, you can do the inversion, but it is on the pause. So here you can see it is on invert. So let me just drop, and here is a hint, like on which point if you are just firing the thing, so at that time it will hit. So if you are going to do randomly, it will not work. If you are going to do like this, so let's suppose if you're not getting what you have to do, so you have to just click on the hint, and then you can just click here, or you can just click here. So now you can see we are able get on the next level. So there is hint, you can just proceed further if you want to create much more levels. And we have added the sound. So basically main stuff, let me explain, that is the sound manager, means it is playing all over the sound whatever you want to use. Here you can see on the canvas everything been created. Basically it is the labels parent, and whenever you are going here, so here you can see we have added all the levels 1 to 100. Whenever you will explore, you will see that that is not much complicated. These are the design, and these are the triangles, so you can get your design. And here is the hint button, and here is the hint. So basically for the hint we have added this thing. Much more levels, you can do whatever you want. And on the canvas we have added the level manager. It is a basic script. Whenever you are going to see, so you will see that we have make the setup, we have saved the levels, so that whenever we are going to start, it is a basic script. I'm not going to deep that much. So here you can see we are checking the levels, here the stuff, positioning, current level we are checking. This is the basic script. It is not that much complicated. And here is the parent, means we are instantiating here, and here is the ball we have, and here is the line. We have also added the particle system. So whenever you are going to explore, so you will get, and we have just play around I think 4. Whenever we are going to start it, so it will start from there, and you can see that I am here. So I'm just getting cool. So sound effect is great, and it is really amazing. I'm just going to provide this source code on my Patreon page, so that you can also get benefit. So I will try to see that how much pride I can ask. So I will think about that how much time it takes. On the basis of that I will try, just negotiate with me. So that's it, and thanks for watching. Have a good day. And if you want this course, so you can get from here, as well as if you want to get any others, so make sure you can check out that you can get according to your requirement. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye bye, take care, see you in next video.